immense pleasure to welcome you all for the inauguration of Students' Council 2016-17. Let's begin the program by invoking the presence of God through the prayer song.
Let there be love shared among us. Let there be love in our eyes. May now your love sweep this nation. Cause us, O Lord, to arise. Give us a fresh understanding of sisterly love that is yours. May there be love shared among us. Let there be love. Let there be peace shared among us. Let there be peace in our eyes. May now your peace sweep this nation. Cause us, O Lord, to arise. Give us a fresh understanding of sisterly peace that is yours. Let there be peace shared among us. Let there be peace. Let there be joy shared among us. Let there be joy in our eyes. May now your joy sweep this nation. Cause us, O Lord, to arise. Give us a fresh understanding of sisterly joy that is yours. May there be joy shared among us. Let there be joy.
Now, Preeti P., the school people leader, will lead us in the prayer.
Almighty God, we thank you for this new dawn. We thank you for this new dawn. Help us to renew our strength and multiply our knowledge. Empower us to achieve our goals and do our duties sincerely. Fill us with love and wisdom to serve others and become shining stars of Vijayalakshmi.
Let's sing in praise of Mother Summer, Summer Saivasis.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்த இடிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிது தெக்கணமும் மதிப்பிழந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்ந்ததுமே
Now, I request the dignitaries to kindly be seated. May I now request Abhirama Krishnan, the school people leader voice, to deliver the welcome address.
A very good morning and a hearty welcome to everyone present here. I thank God the Almighty for giving me this opportunity, and I am privileged to stand here as the school people leader. Now, I welcome the chief guest, our correspondent Sri S. Ashok Kumar, our vice president Srimati A. Aruvukarsi for the inauguration of the Students' Council 2016-17. I also welcome our principal sir, inspector ma'am, the admin ma'am, our coordinators, the administrative officers, the teachers and my dear friends. Once again, I welcome you all for the inauguration of the Students' Council 2016-17. Thank you.
May I now request Ms. Irene Jeevakumari K. to introduce the office bearers.
Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. A very warm, lovely morning to one and all present here. I am very much honored to introduce the young leaders of various clubs on behalf of Vidyalakshmi School. May I request our chief guest, our admin manager, Vidyalakshmi Educational Institution, to honor and give away the badges for the young shining stars of Vidyalakshmi. Welcome, ma'am. English class. One language sets you in a corridor for life. Two languages open every door along the way. That too, the English language is nobody's special property. It is the property of imagination. It is the property of the language itself. Students, you can come. Miss C. Meenakshi of class 9, who has planned a lot of activities to promote English in our school, takes up the responsibility being the chairperson of English Literary Club, and Master L. Nitish of class 9 is the secretary of this club. They will be achieving their best under the effective guidance of Mr. V.K. Benny. Mathematics class. God used beautiful mathematics in creating the world. The chairperson post of Mathematics Club goes to Master A.R. Santosh of class 9. The secretary of this club is Master J.P. Danvand of class 9. They will be directed by the teacher in charge, Mr. R. Ajit Kumar. Science class. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Development of scientific attitude among the students is the need of the hour, and this would be achieved by the leadership of Master S. L. Kamalesh Raju of class 10. Master K. Aravind of class 10 will help him as the secretary of the club. I wish them all the best. Social science class. The fundamental concept in social sciences as creative as natural science. Miss R. Gachial of class 10 is selected as the chairperson for the social science club, and she will be assisted by Miss B. Swati of class 9, the secretary of the club. Mrs. S. Jayanti will instruct the social science club leaders towards the correct way. Computer science class. We are pleased to have Master V. Naresh Kumar of class 10, who displays positive and enthusiastic attitude at all times as the chairperson of the computer science class, and the secretary is Master S. Kiruba Joshua Kumar of class 9. They will be assisted by Miss Divya. Fine arts class. Art does not reproduce, rather it makes visible for people to appreciate and admire their beauty. Master T. Sendil Nalan of class 8, who takes initiative in all the activities, takes up the responsibility as the chairperson, and Miss Madhumita of class 9 will assist him as the secretary of the Fine Arts Club. Quiz class. Quiz enhances mental ability, creates awareness about current affairs, checks accuracy. Master H. Deshwant Kumar of class 9 will lead the quiz club as a chairperson, and Miss Gayatri of class 9 will be assisting him as the secretary of the club. Health and wellness class. Miss S. Harini Priya of class 10, who plans for human rally for creating awareness among the people and also a good school promoter, will be leading the health club as the chairperson, and Miss S. Niveta, Eco Club. Master S. Seshadri of class 10 will be the chairperson, and Miss J.P. Svetashri of class 9, one who has lot of ideas and dreams to make our campus green, will assist him as the secretary of the Eco Club. Heritage Club. Miss S.R. Trishla of class 9, who has a clear commitment to excellence, will be leading the Heritage Club as the chairperson, and Miss U. Sri Shetty of class 9 will be sharing her duties as the secretary of the club. Humanities Club. To inculcate humanism in our campus, Miss B.S. Tanisha of class 10 will be the right choice and she will be assisted by Master S. Naresh Kumar of Class 10. Chinese Arts class. Bad and Paul's class. To always give happiness to other people through selfless service, we have selected Master M. Surender of Class 10 as the chairperson and Miss S. Ajia of Class 10 as the secretary of the Bad and Paul's Club. Sports class, never give up, never give in. And when the upper hand is ours, may we have the ability to handle the wind. We have selected Master S. Rohit of Class 10 as the sports captain for boys and the sports captain for girls as Miss N. Lakshmi of Class 10. Bhishma our blue house. The color blue denotes harmony and wisdom. We wish the same to the house members, Master N. Nandakumar of Class 10, who takes up the position as house captain for boys. Miss V. Sindhu of Class 9 takes up the responsibility as the house captain for girls. Abhimanyu our greenhouse. We wish the team members to prosper under the leadership of Master S. Rishikesh of Class 10, the house captain boys, and Miss K. Shruti of Class 10, the house captain girls. Arjuna or Red House. Arjuna or Red House will be functioning under the dynamic leadership of the house captain boys, Master R. Venkat of Class 9, and the house captain girls, Miss R. Ashwita of Class 9. Karna or Yellow House. We extend our wishes to the house members, Master S. Thirinyanam of Class 9, who takes up the responsibility as the house captain for boys, and Miss M. Kirtika of Class 9, the house captain for girls. Students' Council. The overall Students' Council will be organized by the chairperson, Master R. S. Guruganesan of Class 8, and the secretary of the Students' Council is Miss C. Amita of Class 8. School people leader. Effective student leaders are individuals who have a clear commitment to excellence. The most coveted position in Vidyalakshmi School goes to Master Abhiram Krishnan of Class 10. This disciplined hard worker has an excellent academic and sports record too. School people leader girls. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you're a leader. This is what we see in Miss P. Preeti of Class 10, who is selected as the head girl for 2016-17. We wish all the team leaders to accomplish the goal. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I thank our admin ma'am for honoring the Students' Council members. Thank you, ma'am. I now request the Students' Council members to rise up for oath taking. Now, I request our principal, Mr. Selvaraj Kumar, to administer the oath.
I do hereby solemnly accept the membership of Vidyalakshmi School Students' Council and in God Almighty's name. I do agree to abide by the rules and regulations enacted by Students' Council and act in strict accordance with the highest goals of honesty, sincerity, and efficiency in discharging each and every duty expected from me every day.
Thank you, sir. May I now request request Preeti P, the school people leader girls, to present the Students' Council Report 2016-17. The purpose of education is to culture the mind of a man so that he can accomplish all his aims in life. His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. With a profound thanks and respect to the founder of Vidyalakshmi School, Sri Durai Shanmugam Mudalayar, I am presenting the Students' Council Report for the year 2015 to 2017. Respected Sri S. Ashok Kumar, the correspondent of Vidyalakshmi Group of Educational Institutions, the chief guest of the day, Srimati A. Arivukarasi, the vice correspondent of Vidyalakshmi Group of Educational Institutions, Ms. Usha Rani, the administrator, the principal, the inspector, the coordinator, the teacher, the parents, and my dear friends. A happy and a pleasant good morning to you all. I sincerely thank you for choosing me as a head girl of the school, and I am very glad to present inaugural report of the Students' Council and club activities. The Students' Council of Vidyalakshmi School gets instituted to bring out the physical, intellectual, psychological, social, and spiritual growth and development in each child, above all to realize the motto, aspire to inspire. The members of the Students' Council, namely the head boy, the head girl of the school, chairperson, secretaries of various clubs, house captains, are advised and guided by the teachers to work together to achieve an overall development. Various clubs and houses have been instituted to bring light to the hidden talents and potentialities of the students and exhibit them to inculcate leadership qualities, team spirit, cooperation, and a healthy competitive spirit. We have separate literary clubs for English and other languages and different clubs for science, mathematics, social science, computer science, quiz, fine arts, tiny tots, health, eco, heritage, and sports. We have grouped the children under 4 houses, namely Bhishma, Abhimanyu, Arjuna, and Karna. The students are divided into different groups. Group A, classes 1 and 2, Group B, classes 3 and 4, Group C, classes 5 and 6, Group D, classes 7 and 8, Group E, classes 9 and 10, and tiny tots, classes LKG and UKG. The activities of various clubs for the whole academic year have been carefully planned in advance under the supervision of the principal, CCA in charge, and the higher authorities. Mother's Club. Nobody can deny the role of a mother in shaping the child as a respectful citizen of this nature. The care, the love, the affection, the unnoticed years of mother, and the dedication of mother towards her child are having more value than gold and diamonds in this world. Mother, without you we are zeros, with you we are heroes. To have your uncompromised love and care in our school, we have Mother's Club represented by some of our parents. This club will guide all the students in the campus to acquire more life skills. The English Literary Club. The English Literary Club and other language clubs undertake the responsibilities of mastering the skills of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This club has planned various competitions like essay writing, poetry writing, debates, puzzles, pick and speak, skits, identifying pictures, dictation, storytelling, etc. The Science Club. The Science Club aims at inculcating scientific tempers in students. Model making, seminars, debates, working models, making static models, clay molding, making charts, etc. are the activities the club has planned for this year. The Mathematics Club. The Mathematics Club creates an interest, liking, and a sense of ease for mathematics to avoid students' unwanted fear towards this subject. Identifying mathematical shapes, identifying the numbers, riddles, quiz, puzzles, speed calculations, paper presentations, and debates are some of the activities the club has planned. Social Science Club. Social Science Club takes up the responsibility to inculcate the spirit of patriotism and conduct competitions like mock parliament, quiz, dance, singing of patriotic songs, skits, speech on freedom fighters, etc. Eco Club. Eco Club takes up the responsibility of widening the wisdom and of balancing the nature through conducting competitions like painting, collection of leaves, fancy dress, slogan writing, essay writing, debate, speech, drawing, etc. Computer Science Club. Computer Science Club aims at giving students a technological aspect of life. The club has planned activities like paint, jigsaw puzzles, flash games, creating greeting cards, PowerPoint presentations, flash movie making, debates, etc. Fine Arts Club. Fine Arts Club has planned activities like singing, play art, drama, drawing, miming, playing musical instruments, yoga, etc. Tiny Tots Club. Tiny Tots is an active and the most interesting club in our school. The club has planned several activities like painting, drawing, quiz, making words, puzzles, storytelling, fancy dress, etc. Sports Club. The Sports Club encourages all the students to participate actively in various events and games. Specific training and coaching for the students are organized on various competitions in the zonal, district, state and national levels. Heritage Club. The Heritage Club holds the position of bringing out the past to the light through conducting competitions like painting, find my name, puppets, slogan writing, poster making, debate, quiz, essay writing, poem writing, etc. Quiz Club. The Quiz Club has come out with many activities like identifying pictures, history quiz, science quiz, general knowledge quiz, etc. Humanity Club. Humanity Club takes up the responsibility of enriching the society by paying attention on handwriting, reading, poem reciting, passage writing, speech, etc. Health and Wellness Club. Health and Wellness Club has planned to carry out various events to bring awareness on healthy body and conduct competitions like drawing, quiz, skits, seminars, PowerPoint presentations. Baden-Powell Club. Baden-Powell is the founder of Scouts and Guides. Scouting is nothing but outing. Baden-Powell notified that children should not always be inside the classroom but go out and explore and enable the pupils' physical fitness and mental enlightenment. To highlight the values of being brave, this year we have introduced the Baden-Powell Club in our school students' council. Apart from the various competitions, the clubs will conduct projects, dramatics, dumb charades, industrial visits, bands, etc. The child who enters this esteemed institution is considered to be special and unique. He or she gets the best and the maximum opportunity for the overall development. We are really lucky and happy to stay and study here. We sincerely thank God, the Almighty, the correspondents, the vice correspondents, the principals, the teaching and non-teaching staff, our parents and all those who are involved directly or indirectly in molding us. On behalf of all the students, I assure you that we will cooperate with each other and work hard to achieve the motto of this institution for the betterment of the society. Hereby, I invite all the students to take initiative to participate in all their co-curricular activities and bring out the best from us. I thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti. May I now request Ms. Bhakya Priya, CCA Coordinator, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Now I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude. First and foremost, I thank God, the Almighty, for being with us throughout this program. I would like to thank our correspondent sir, vice correspondent ma'am, and extend my hearty thanks to our inspector ma'am, admin ma'am, principal sir, the teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. Thank you everyone, and making this program a wonderful one. Thank you one and all.
Thank you. Now I request you all to rise up for the national anthem.
Yes, sir.